Ebugambirwe obu Minisitule y'Obuhingi n'Oburiisa babinu bahaye ebyoma by'omwana abahingi b'omwani kandi omukoro gubira hari Kasese Multipurpose Hall omuri Nyamwamba Division Kasese Municipality.
This is a project which we started as the whole of government, and we want to see that your efforts in growing, planting, growing, processing coffee and marketing it is improved, and you get better money out of it than what you are getting today.
Elfazi Muhindi mukuru w'entebe ya Katana wa Kasese District ayoreshera okukwatwaho ahabwe bugwererezi ebiri kuteganisa district ya Kasese bikazibera abaturo kukora ebyentunguka.
You are all aware that Kasese is prone to dry spells in some season, but also sometimes the floods and even the mudslides. All these affect our production. Because when it is flooded, you find crops destroyed.
So why can't we promote coffee tourism in Kasese? Because I'm told you have the best coffee. From the farm to the cup, people can come to learn about the coffee in Kasese. What makes it special? How is it grown? How is it harvested? How is it processed? And then when they taste it, how the difference? We were told when we came here about the different types of coffee.
Engineer Irene Batebe omuhandiiki wa Ministry y'Ebyobugaiga bw'omwitaka n'amashanyarazi nagira ngu Ministry neija kuhwera abatungira ebyoma by'omwani okutunga amashanyarazi g'okukoresa.
This project we are supporting the agricultural sector to ensure that we achieve the target of value addition for coffee. Apart from the electricity needs that we have assessed, and we will be supporting a number of the cooperatives with transformers, upgrading their power supply. Indeed, the issue of the cost of fuel then becomes pertinent. The machinery that we've just handed over, some of it, like the coffee pulpers we saw, are driven by petrol.
Our farmers, our micro stations had a challenge of pulpers. Today we are happy to receive 5 motorized butters from government, and we believe there will be a very tremendous change in quality management.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Mahanguzi.